Great Barrier Reef is. The blue here is just different than anywhere else.
Vegas! We are going to buy a bigger boat.
You know how people never really happy with what they got? And what are you going to do when all your friends have bigger boats than you? Go buy a bigger boat! That's a nice one! Congratulations, my leader!
Well, thank you.
The reason we are in Hamilton Island now is because Mario wants to buy a new boat. And just happened to be this boat park in Hamilton Island. That's why we're here. Welcome to Hamilton Island. We are going to buy a bigger boat. Marine life in Hamilton Island.
You like that? Right. So you can do what you like at the table. Put it that way.
I'll live here.
Put it that way.
I can totally see myself living here for at least a month. Just sleep in a boat and then rent a buggy and go around the island. What is it? Oh my god! Michael! Michael, come have a look! This afternoon we are gonna take the boat out for a test drive in the wind Sundays. So good as a barman!
Someone like this on ours.
Can I please have a glass of red?
$4.50 for you.
We're going out to the reef. Taking the boat out for a spin. Look at that little island. Are we doing a donut? Yay! Woohoo! Awesome! Mario's driving like crazy.
Have random markers, so where things are. So it tells you the different heights, depths, and any obstructions. So that's the airport right there in front of you. So we've got it still the wrong way. So this goes.
How these professionals does it? Woohoo! Green on the right. Thank you, Paul and Reese. Look at this small boat problem. Can't believe we are leaving.
Yeah, why don't you stay hands on?